Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you will be doing well. So today we are going to start the lecture related to the stoichiometry. In this lecture, we will understand how to write the formula or the symbol of an element of the periodic table. Also, we will understand the diatomic gases and monatomic gases. What are the diatomic gases means and what does the monatomic gases means? Okay, so we must understand, we must know that whenever we write the symbol of an element or the formula of an element, it must comprises of the two alphabet and sometime single alphabet. If suppose it is comprising the two alphabet, so what is the way to write? The first alphabet must be in a capital letter and the second alphabet must be in a smaller letter. So this is the correct way to write. Similarly, if I talk about the sodium, the first alphabet must be capital letter and the second alphabet must be smaller letter. Okay. Some of the students make a mistake in which they write the first letter smaller and the second letter as well as smaller. The first letter capital and the second letter capital. Some of them also write A smaller and G capital. These three way of writing the symbol of an element consisting of the two alphabet is the wrong way to write. Okay, so keep that in mind whenever we write the symbol or the formula of an element comprising of the two alphabet. So the first letter must be in a capital and the second alphabet must be smaller. Is that clear? So now we are going to understand what does the diatomic and the monatomic gases means. It is very simple. The di means two. The di means two. Mono means one. Diatomic means a molecule that is formed by the combination of the two atoms. Whenever the molecule is formed, at least two atoms must be combined. At least two. It can be more than two, but not less than two. So whenever the molecule is formed, so it is the combination of the two atoms joined together by any means. So there are some of the elements like the hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine and fluorine. These elements always exist in the diatomic form. We can also say that they can always exist in the molecular form. They cannot be written with a single atom. Means as you can see here, the subscript of 2. What does this subscript of 2 means? It means this hydrogen is present with two atoms combined together to form the molecule. Okay. Similarly, the oxygen, the subscript of 2. What does subscript of 2 means? This molecule comprising of the two oxygen atoms. If suppose instead of 2 of the subscript, if it was written with the 3 or 4, so it means a molecule is comprising of the 3 atoms or the 4 atoms. Is that clear now? So you always write these gases with the diatomic form, means in the subscript of H2, not H. This, if you write with this way, this is the wrong way to write. You always write H2. You always write O2, not single O, not single H. I hope this will be clear now. So now we are going to understand what is the monoatomic. As we know, the monoatomic means the two atoms. The single atom. Those gases which comprises of the single atom. It includes the helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon, krypton. They are the elements of the group 8. Why they exist in the single atom form? The reason behind is that because their octet is complete, their outermost shell comprising of the 8 elements is already filled. So that's why they are stable. So they are not able to form any bond with any atom. So they do not exist in a molecular form. They do not make any bond. They must be present in a single atom state. Okay, so if suppose we are having many of the helium in our environment, but we write in single form He, but not two, not three. This is the wrong way for writing the symbol of an element that is a part of the group 8 which already exists in a monatomic form but not diatomic. I hope this is really clear. If you have any question related to this lecture, so you feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.